Hello guys, as you guys can see, we reached 5,000 kilometer marks. So I'm gonna go ahead and reset that. We're just doing our daily, not daily, our maintenance for this 2012 Honda Civic. And that is my actual kilometers. As you guys can see, we are at 233,889 kilometers on this Honda Civic. Still going strong. Nothing has to worry about. No things has to worry about this car. This has been reliable for me for the past 3 winters, and we're gonna go ahead and change the oil on this thing right now. Just bear with me, my hands is kind of dirty. So, just putting my gloves on, and I already loosened up almost everything in this procedure here. I loosen up this particularly so the oil will flow as fast as possible. I'm gonna leave that there like that, and let us prepare everything underneath here. Starting to drip oil, as you guys can see, because I already loosened it up. Gonna remove this plug down here. There you have it. It's going down there. Give it a few minutes. Not actually bad, as you guys can see. I can still see the colors on it, but I already reached 5,000 kilometers, so I gotta do my oil change. It's better to be safe than sorry. Okay, that should be enough. Now we're gonna go ahead for this thing down here. This is the engine oil filter on my end. There. That should be good for a little while there. And we'll get back to it when we were putting a new oil. So after a few minutes, guys, I'm gonna reinstall everything back to its place. As you guys can see, I already cleaned this up. I wiped them down. Looks brand new. and as well as with this underneath here, as you guys can see, it's still dripping a little bit of oil. That should be good enough. I don't know if you guys can see that here. Where did I see it? Here. Here's the oil filter, engine oil filter casing. I mean, plug in. It's clean enough. So you guys can see that looks brand new as well. And this one is also clean. I can't reach through there, so just tell me if you see some things that is not right, doesn't look right. For the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and install this drain plug bolt. Yes, you guys, there we go. There. Quite a long plug down there. I will torque that later on after I finish prepping up this engine oil filter. That should do it. It should be clean enough. Let's clean this side as well. So this is the rattling sound that I've been hearing, I guess. So right now, I'm gonna prepare this engine oil filter. Just bear with me. I just have to throw this one out so it won't fly. These are my gloves. Here you are. So you guys can see I'm using the OEM filter. So we're avoiding any issue by using this OEM oil filter, engine oil filter for Honda Civic. Just pop that right there. Should be pretty straightforward. And as well as this thing down here, it's 0W20, brand new. Gonna go ahead and open it up. And we're just filling a little bit down here this engine oil filter to make sure that everything is working fine. I'm just gonna fill this a little bit down here. So it's not dry when you start your engine. I like to go a little bit saucy on this rubber o-ring, so it won't get burnt easily, or you won't wreck and prevent it from having a crack while tightening it down, while tightening it to the torque spec. I try my best to speak in a good English language. Apologize for that. Now we're just putting this back on. It's pretty straightforward. I won't take you with me. Easy peasy step. Or maybe I should, for the sake of this video. No. There's my oily hands. As you guys can see, that is already prepped down there. So why is it in zoom mode? As you guys can see, this one is already been prepped. I put a little bit of oil inside of this thing, and also I lube up the o-rings to prevent it from cracking, as I said earlier. And we'll just go ahead and snap this thing back on. And we're gonna come back and for sure tighten it down. There's a spec in your manual, but I just hand tied this thing and the drain plug bolt, so it's not so hard for me to do the other oil change in the future. So as you guys can see, we're gonna pour this one. I believe it's 3.9 liter. We're just gonna have to check and measure about this engine dipstick here with me. So again, just 3.9, and then we'll go from there. Oh shit. That's my main problem. That's why so you guys can see, I'm just wiping out all the excess oil that's been splashed to this one. Apologize for my clumsiness. And that's about it. That's the oil change for this car. Thank you so much. Peace out.